Aria and the Whispering Butterflies. Aria was a cheerful little girl with sparkling eyes who loved to run barefoot in the meadows near her home. Every day she watched butterflies dance around the flowers, their wings shimmering in the sunlight. But one morning something magical happened. As Aria leaned closer to a cluster of butterflies, she heard a tiny sound. Psst, do you hear us? Whispered a golden butterfly. Aria gasped. Butterflies can talk? A blue butterfly giggled. Not talk, silly. We whisper the secrets of the world. The butterflies swirled around her like a rainbow cloud. One landed gently on her nose. We carry the ocean song. Suddenly, Aria heard the rush of waves, dolphins laughing, and seashells humming. She clapped with delight. It's like the whole sea is inside you. Another butterfly brushed her cheek. We carry the forest's laughter. And Aria heard birds telling silly jokes, monkeys giggling, and trees creaking like they were chuckling together. She laughed so hard she fell into the grass, rolling with joy. A soft white butterfly rested on her hand. We carry the mountain's echo. Hello, it boomed in a deep, funny voice. Hello back, Aria shouted, and the echo bounced again and again. Hello back, back, back. Aria clutched her tummy and laughed until her cheeks hurt. But then the butterflies grew quiet. Their wings drooped. The whispers are fading, said the golden one sadly. Why? Aria asked. Because people don't listen anymore. They rush, they shout, they forget to hear the ocean, the forest, the mountains. Our voices grow weak. Aria thought hard. Then she stood tall and said, Then I will listen, and I'll remind everyone else too. She cupped her hands and shouted to the meadow. Hey, everyone! The butterflies are whispering. Come listen! Children came running. Parents followed. They sat quietly in the grass as the butterflies fluttered above them. And then it happened. The whispers filled the air, the ocean's song, the forest's laughter, the mountain's echo. The meadow rang with sounds so magical that everyone smiled, laughed, and felt their hearts grow light. The butterflies' wings glowed brighter and brighter. They circled Aria and whispered, You saved our voices. Thank you for listening. Aria whispered back, Thank you for sharing your magic. I'll always listen. From that day on, whenever people walked through the meadow, they listened more carefully to the wind, the leaves, the water, and the sky. And sometimes, just sometimes, they could hear the butterflies whisper too. Moral: when we listen to nature, the world stays alive with beauty.